Hey boys and girls, do you want to go to the farm? Great, let's go to the farm. What animal is this? Right, a cat. What animal is this? Right, a dog. What animal is this? Correct, a chicken. What animal is this? Awesome, a horse. Great job, boys and girls. We just list all of the animals on the farm. Hey, boys and girls, what animal is this? Right, a lion. Does a lion belong on the farm? No, a lion does not belong on the farm. What about this animal, boys and girls? A giraffe. Does a giraffe belong on the farm? No, a giraffe does not belong on the farm. What about this, boys and girls? Right, a hippopotamus. Does a hippopotamus belong on the farm? No, a hippopotamus does not belong on the farm. Lastly, what about this, boys and girls? Correct, an alligator. Does that belong on a farm? No, an alligator does not belong on the farm. Great job. We listed all of our animals. Can you say dog? Dog. Can you say cat? Cat. Can you say horse? Horse. Can you say chicken? Chicken. Can you say lion? Lion. Can you say hippopotamus? Hippopotamus. Can you say alligator? Alligator. Great job, boys and girls. We list all of the animals. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did great. We have learned so much today, and thank you for watching. Say bye, Pete the Cat, Malik, and Chastity. See you next time.
So today we're going to sing a song. And this is my friend Toddler. Tyler, did you say hi to everyone? Tyler, say hi. Now, today we're going to sing about a frog. What is a frog? Do you know what a frog is? A frog is any member of a diverse and largely carnivorous group of short-bodied, tailless amphibians composing the order Anura. The oldest fossil protofrog appeared in the earliest Triassics of Madagascar, but molecular clock dating suggests their origins may extend further back to the Permian 265 million years ago. So, their lifespan is 10 to 12 years. Their scientific name is Anura. And they are amphibians. They live in murky places and swamps and lakes and ponds, and personally from this picture they're just gross to look at. So but today We're going to sing about a frog. You want to sing along, Tyler? Tyler's going to sing with us about Mr. Frog. All right, let's get ready. We're going to go on a walk with Mr. Frog. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. Mr. Frog went walking on a summer day. He met Miss Market on his way. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, will you marry me? We'll live together in an apple tree. Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? Mr. Frog asked Miss Market, what we having for supper? What, Tyler? Fried mosquitoes and bread and butter. Ew, gross. Yes, that's what frogs eat. They eat fried mosquitoes. I don't know about the bread and butter, but I do know they like to eat bugs. So let's look at some things that frogs like to eat. Frogs are known for jumping abilities, croaking sounds, bulging eyes, and slimy skin. They live all over the world and are among the most diverse animals in the world. So, can you make a frog sound? You kind of croak at night, like I said quote, but I meant to say croak. Croak at night. So let's make a frog sound. I really have never heard a frog say ribbit, but we're going to say ribbit because that's what everyone tells us that frogs do. So let's make some frog sounds. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Tyler, can you make a frog sound? Ribbit. They kind of like croak a lot at night. But yeah, they make funny noises. Okay. I know we're going to get to what they like to eat, but let's look at what they are afraid of. Fear of frogs and toads is both a known specific phobia, known simply as frog phobia or radidophobia, the most widespread family of frogs, and a superstition common to the folkways of many cultures. Psychiatric specialty literature uses the simple term fear of frogs. There are a lot of people that have fear of frogs. Do frogs bite you? Not unless you eat, lick, or touch them. Lots of frogs have parotoid glands on their heads, mostly toes, which produce toxins. The pacemaker frog and a few other species can bite. This bite isn't lethal, but can be very painful. Ooh, I didn't even know that they bite. Now let's check out, what do frogs eat? Because that Mr. Frog, he wanted some fried mosquitoes and some bread and butter. So they do eat mosquitoes, flies, moths, and dragonflies. Larger frogs will eat larger insects like grasshoppers and worms. Some large frogs will even eat small snakes, mice, baby turtles, and even other smaller frogs. Ooh, I mean, for you boys, that might be a lot of fun, but as a girl. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Mwah. Bye-bye. My name is Miss Porter, and I'm just coming from a beautiful birthday party, but I wanted to take out some time to go over some sight words with you. I have my friends along with me, Leo and Marcus. So when I do this, you repeat after me, and then I'm going to listen out for what I said to you. Okay, let's get started. The first sight word is A. Can you say A? Very good. The next sight word is I. Can you say I? Good job. Of. Can you say of? At. Can you say at? And. Can you say and? Awesome. The next word is play. Can you say play? Big. Can you say big? Run. Can you say run? Can. Say can. Said. Say the word said. Come. Say the word come. Like. Can you say the word like? Last word is what. Can you say the word what? Good job. 2 thumbs up. Very good, Leo and Marcus. You think they did good? You deserve a cupcake. You get a reward for saying your words so good. I am so proud of you. So, thank you for joining me today. And I hope you recite these words again. You can go back over what we've already discussed and you practice. All right? Hugs and kisses. Mwah. Bye-bye now.